This hummingbird feeder is so pretty, and it is glass, it is not plastic. And this is metal, the bottom part is metal, this part here is metal, and the flowers are metal. So this is a very nice weight. I have hummingbirds, I just started getting them this week. They came in, but I love feeding my hummingbirds. This is super easy to fill and clean. Look, this unscrews. There we go. And you fill it here. You put 4 parts water to 1 part sugar. I do not boil mine, but I do use the hottest tap water that I can get. And I I stir it for a few minutes. I let it sit usually for about an hour, you know, to make sure that all the sugar is dissolved before I fill this. Whoops. And in the middle of the summer when it's really hot, the solution needs to be changed every day because I'm in Maryland. It gets really hot. And oh, my hummingbird just went by here. It must have seen me and said, oh, look, a new feeder. So if you feed your hummingbirds, make sure you change out the solution. And you do not need to buy the kind of solution you get at the grocery store that's red. It doesn't need to be red. Just regular sugar water works well. And your hummingbirds will thank you, and they will put on a really good show for you. So let me go hang this up so I can show you what it looks like. Okay, I already poured, you probably can't see it, but I poured the sugar water solution in here. All I have to do is screw this on. Make sure I get it tight. This part is plastic. I didn't say that before, but that's the only part that's plastic. And then make sure that you have it tight. And it's ready to hang. How cool is that? But it is so pretty. It's a really pretty one.